Yo, what is good people? Ben from Lover of Tech, and we are back for another video, and this time it's another unboxing. And boy, we are unboxing these. Yep, these headphones. And as much as I'm not a headphone person, boy, I need these. These are the Sony WH-1000MX4s. A mouthful, but yeah, let's get to unboxing them. So yeah, these are the WH-1000MX4s. And again, if you've been on the channel before or you find yourself here for the first time, man, welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any new videos on the Lover of Tech channel. Yeah, I've got these kind of on an impromptu. Why? I have a 7-hour flight. So by the time you watch this, I will probably be in that country right now. 7-hour flight direct. It's my first flight in like almost 7 years since I went to Detroit in 2014. So crazy how the world has been and just time has flown, right? And yeah, I've got these on an impromptu because boy, from all the reviews I've been seeing it, these are industry leading and these are the noise cancelling king. And I want to make sure that my flight's as quiet as possible. That's the main reason why I got them. That's the main reason I got them. So yeah, these are the Sony WH-1000MX4s. Why are the names so lettery? Wireless, noise cancelling. I do believe it does come with an auxiliary as well, but it doesn't really matter because most phones don't come with a headphone port. High-res audio wireless, 30 hours Bluetooth, and you do have dual pairing with this from what I remember. Let's look at the box and what it says. Music playback, 30 hours maximum, with ANC on. And then with ANC off, it's 38 hours. Raw, okay. 10-minute charge, playback in 5 hours, okay. HD calls, USB-C, thank you. Headphone cable, nice. Adapted for in-flight use, thank you. I didn't realize that. Carrier case, cool, I like that. And obviously you've got the noise cancelling QM1 high performance processor that's in here. You've got some gestures here as well. I might do a full review on this, who knows? Depends on how I feel. Obviously, you've got LDAC support, NFC, digital noise cancelling, DSEE Extreme. Not sure what that means, but hey, we're just reading the stuff off, man. And this is it. Been tempted to unbox it straight away, but you know me, I'm a sucker for an unboxing video. So let's get this open up and see what's up. All right, we'll give it a quick little test as well. Let's see, boom. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, fresh. As you can see, man. Cool. All right, so they slide this way. Boom. Right. Okay, I'm liking that already. I'm gonna put this to the side as much as everyone hates that. Let's go inside the box itself. You've got music free trial, noise cancelling, booklets and stuff, cool. Not much in there. Put that to the side, put this away. I do like the packaging, nice, simple, clean and straightforward. I'm gonna put this here. Yeah, these are a lot slimmer and more compact than I was expecting. Ain't gonna lie. More slimmer and more compact than I was expecting. Okay, all right. Let's get into them, I'm sure that's what you've come to see. Zips nicely tucked in. Like this little kind of bronze. Ooh, there they are. WH-1000MX4s. Okay, I like how it's just divided in there. Interesting. Thank you. I like this. This adapter is definitely going to come into use. You've got auxiliary cable, 3.5mm port to port, and USB-C to USB-A. Thank you for charging over USB-C. I really appreciate that. Anything else to consider? No. I think that's straightforward to the point, I guess. Put these to the side and put this to the side for a minute. And let's focus on these bad boys. All right, okay. Feel very light. They feel very light. Okay. You've got USB-C port right there. And then we've got the headphone port, power button, custom, very nice soft cushions, NFC, right, okay. Staying indication, left, right, okay. So you can see the right is red, left is black right there. Hopefully you can see it. And just do a quick fit. I do have quite a large head, fortunately or unfortunately. And I'm not really much of a headphone person, but yeah, these fit really well. Wow, they feel really comfortable. Yeah, okay. I dig that. I dig that. Again, shout out to the watcher as well, aka Mr. El Jefe Reviews. Go check him out. He is the king of audio when it comes to earphones, headphones, and all things related to audio listening. So he recommended me some EQs to put through. I'm definitely gonna check that out. Okay, this initial comfort is wow. Okay, I rate the comfort. The comfort is really nice. Top down here, I'm gonna get another camera angle soon, man. Wow, okay, I dig this. I feel this, I like this. All right, this is very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. And already the seal, it has a very strong seal already, if I'm gonna be honest with you. Okay, let's featuring the Pixel 6, obviously, we've got to, because the Pixel 6 is the device of the moment at the minute. Specifically the Pixel 6 Pro, aka shout out Team Telephoto Zoom. Okay, so let's unlock this because I believe there is a Sony app, right? You might see me time lapse this bit. Okay, so it's a Sony Headphones Connect app. Cool. I thought as much, but I thought let me make sure. So that's downloading the Sony Connect app. Shout out to the Sony A7C up top. I'm loving this camera. Mind how these phones really get smudgy. All right, open. Bluetooth. And we're gonna pair this and then give it an initial listen. Right now, the album of choice has been Certified Lovable. Okay, will appear, all right, connect, all right, set up. Set up, okay, that was instant. I like that, that looks good. Instant pairing, wow, okay. So I think it's best to download the app first and it gives a much more streamlined pairing experience. I like that, turn on and pretty much use, right? Okay, I'm gonna try. Wow, okay, that's a good look, that's a good look. Press okay. Next. Adaptive sound control, I'll do that later. I'll do that later. Next, I'll do that later. Okay, go to dashboard. I'm probably skipping more than I should. I'm gonna be honest with you, but right, activity, information. Okay, sound. Man, this app seems to have a lot going on if I'm gonna be honest with you. Status. Interesting, interesting. Okay. Personal optimization. All right, cool. Noise cancelling. Right. Okay, cool. Right, let's load up a track. Like I said, man. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. That is instant. Whoa, okay. Let's load up Drake. I've been listening to the Remorse That track is heavy. It's heavy. Let's hear it. Okay. Hopefully the sound doesn't bleed out and get a copyright. Okay. Okay. Just based on initial listening, I'm impressed. And the noise cancelling seemed pretty much instantaneous as well. But again, many people have done much more comprehensive reviews on these, and you know, I'm more getting them because of the noise cancelling. So based on initial listening and the comfort fit, very impressed. I'm gonna go through the app because the app seems like there's a lot going on. I'm gonna go into the app, get to know the app better, and pretty much, you know, delve in and pretty much hear it from there, right? So, let's see. But yeah, this is pretty much my unboxing of the Sony WH-1000MX4s. That's it, man. Let me know what you think. Do you have them? Give me some tips, man. And let me know, like, you know, how's your experience been and the stuff to look out for. But yeah, this should be making my flight a lot quieter. That's it for me, man. Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, then you know exactly what to do, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.